Some of you might wonder what we're doing here during COVID-19 at myrod.com. Well, here's kind of what it looks like.
Car driver lobby.
So even though the COVID-19 quarantine is going on, we're doing great. We're having a blast with the family. I'm still working on cars. I'm gonna walk you around the shop in just a second and show you all the really cool cars that we have in the hangar.
We have a lot of really cool stuff in the hangar right now.
Sometimes people ask us if we do anything other than Mustangs. Yep, we definitely do. And if I could give you guys at home any advice, it would just be enjoy your family right now. Pray for your country and fear not, because God is still in control, and I think we're all going to make it through this and be just fine and be stronger for it afterwards. I hope this update lifts your spirits up. Please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Like this video, subscribe, and we have a lot of new videos coming out still in the pipeline. We're still making videos. We're still working on cars. We're still selling cars. If you'd like to be notified when we have a car for sale, you can click up on the link right here. And we have an email that we send out whenever we put up a car for sale. So please do that if you're interested. And yeah, follow us on our journey. We love making videos. We love working on cars. We love finding the keepers that people are going to really enjoy and cherish for the rest of their life. And I hope you can see how classic cars is something that really brings families together. You can have a great time together with your classic cars, and they're just a blast. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.